Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will share with you sample question and answer of emerging technology on artificial intelligence or on chapter 3, and this video is part 1. If you are new here and need to learn or get a technology related video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel or Lamishow Tube, and you will not miss any video which will be released from this YouTube channel. Question number 1. What the full name of AI? The answer is B. The full name of AI is artificial intelligence. Question number 2. What's artificial intelligence, or what is the definition of artificial intelligence? The answer is C. Artificial intelligence is development of intelligent systems that work and react in the same way that humans do. Question number 3. What the goal of artificial intelligence? The answer is E, which means all of the above. Question number 4. Which one of the following is component of artificial intelligence? The answer is A, which means among the component of artificial intelligence, one is learning. Question number 5. Based on the general argument that artificial objects are often superior to real or natural objects, we can conclude that the answer is D. Artificial intelligence can make computer, software or hardware system to exhibit thinking comparable to that of human, and artificial intelligence enables machine to do things that would require intelligence if done by humans. Question number 6. Which one of the following is true about artificial intelligence? The answer is E, which means all are true about artificial intelligence. Question number 7. The term artificial refers to dash technologies. The answer is D, which means the term artificial refers to man-made or manufactured by human as opposed to occurring naturally, or it is also synthetic. Question number 8. Which one of the following is used to develop machine that can substitute for human and replicate human action? The answer is B. Robotics is the intersection of science, engineering, and technology that produce machines called robots that replicate or substitute for human action. Question number 9. In the history of artificial intelligence, the period between 1956 up to 1974 is known as dash. The answer is C. In the area of artificial intelligence, the year between 1956 up to 1974 is known as a golden year of artificial intelligence. Question number 10. In the history of artificial intelligence, the period between 1974 up to 1918 and 1978 up to 1993 are known as dash. The answer is D. In artificial intelligence era, the period between 1974 and 1980 is known as first winter of artificial intelligence, and the period between 1987 up to 1993 known as second winter of artificial intelligence. So the answer is first winter artificial intelligence and the second winter artificial intelligence respectively. Question number 11. During the golden year early enthusiasm, what is introduced? The answer is D, which means during the golden year early enthusiasm or during 1956 up to 1974, the following are introduced. The first chatbot, which is called Lisa, was introduced in 1966, and the first intelligent humanoid robot was built in Japan in 1972, which is called Wabot 1. So Lisa and Wabot 1 are two things that were introduced during the golden year early enthusiasms of artificial intelligence. Question number 12. Which one of the following is characteristics of weak or narrow artificial intelligence? The answer is D. Weak or narrow artificial intelligence able to perform a dedicated task with intelligence, and it is only trained for one specific task. Question number 13. The two main components of artificial intelligence are dash and dash. The answer is B. The main component of artificial intelligence are reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception, and linguistic intelligence. So in general, intelligence is composed of these all things. Question number 14. The field of neural network with several hidden layers is called dash. The answer is D, which means the field of neural network with several hidden layers is called deep learning. Deep learning is one of the state of art of machine learning. Question number 15. Artificial intelligence work only tasks they are programmed for. Which of the following disadvantage of artificial intelligence explains this? The answer is D, which means can't think out of the box means even we are making a smarter machine with artificial intelligence, but still they cannot work out of the box, as the robot will only do that work for which they are trained or programmed. Question number 16. Which one of the following is disadvantage of artificial intelligence? The answer is C, which means no feeling and emotion is one of the disadvantage of artificial intelligence, which means artificial intelligence machine still does not have any feeling, so it cannot make any kind of emotional attachment with human, and may sometimes be harmful for users if the proper care is not taken. Question number 17. Based on which of the following parameter artificial intelligence is categorized? The answer is C, which means the two main categorization of artificial intelligence are based on capability and functionality. Based on capability, artificial intelligence can be categorized into narrow artificial intelligence or weak artificial intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. And based on functionality, artificial intelligence is divided into reactive machine artificial intelligence, limited memory artificial intelligence, theory of mind artificial intelligence, and self-awareness artificial intelligence. Question number 18. Which one of the following capacity characterized general or strong artificial intelligence? The answer is D. If researchers are able to develop strong artificial intelligence, the machine would require intelligence equal to human. It would have self-aware consciousness that has the ability to solve problems. Strong artificial intelligence aims to create intelligent machines that are indistinguishable from the human mind. Question number 19. Which one of the following is characteristics of super artificial intelligence? The answer is D. Super artificial intelligence is an intelligence system or an artificial intelligence system that is self-aware and intelligent enough to surpass cognitive ability of human. Question number 20. Which one of the following artificial intelligence system is the most common and currently available? The answer is A, which means weak or narrow artificial intelligence is the most commonly applied types of artificial intelligence system in the current era. Question number 21. Which types of artificial intelligence system does not exist in reality and can only be seen in the science fiction movies? The answer is B. Self-awareness artificial intelligence does not exist in reality still and is a hypothetical concept. Question number 22. Which one of the following group represents a category of artificial intelligence by capabilities? The answer is A, which means artificial intelligence can be categorized into three based on capability, in which the first one is weak or narrow artificial intelligence, the second one is general artificial intelligence, and the last one is strong artificial intelligence. Question number 23. Which one of the following group represents a category of artificial intelligence by functionality? The answer is B, which means artificial intelligence can be categorized into four categories based on functionality. Those are reactive machine artificial intelligence, limited memory artificial intelligence, theory of mind artificial intelligence, and self-awareness artificial intelligence. Question number 24. To which functional category do machines that have the capability of understand the human emotion and interacting socially like human belong? The answer is C. Theory of mind artificial intelligence will acquire through decision-making capabilities that are similar to human. Machines with theory of mind artificial intelligence will be able to understand and remember emotions, then adjust behavior based on these emotions as they interact with people or human. Question number 25. Dash is types of artificial intelligence which does not store memory for future action. The answer is A. Reactive machine artificial intelligence is artificial intelligence system which does not store memories for future action. Question number 26. Chatbot and robo advisors are example of dash level of artificial intelligence. The answer is B. Chatbot and robo-advisor are the well-known application of context awareness and retention artificial intelligence. Question number 27. Which artificial intelligence type is smarter and think like human on its own? The answer is D. General artificial intelligence is types of intelligent system that could perform any intellectual task with efficiency like human. Question number 28. IBM Deep Blue system and Google AlphaGo are examples of reactive machine, super artificial intelligence, general artificial intelligence, weak artificial intelligence. The answer is A. IBM Deep Blue system and Google AlphaGo are examples of reactive machine artificial intelligence. Question number 29. Google Translate is the best example of dash reactive machine, general artificial intelligence, weak artificial intelligence, super artificial intelligence. The answer is C. Example of weak or narrow artificial intelligence include Google Translate, playing chess, and so on. Question number 30. What is the function of artificial intelligence agent? The answer is C, which means the main goal of artificial intelligence agent is to map perception sequence to an action. Question number 31. Which one of the following can improve the performance of an agent? The answer is B, which means the performance of artificial intelligence can be improved by using learning. Question number 32. Which one of the following is an application of artificial intelligence? The answer is B. Language understanding and problem solving comes under NLP or natural language processing and the text analysis area, which involves text recognition and the sentiment analysis of the text. The best example of this application is voice assistant. It may be Siri or Cortana or Google Assistant. Question number 33. Which one of the following machine requires input from human but can interpret the output themselves? The answer is A. Actuators are used in the machine to convert energy from one form to another to perform physical function. Which one of the following is not application of artificial intelligence? A. Face recognition system. B. Chatbot. C. Speech recognition. D. Database management system. E. Translation between languages. The answer is D, which means all except database management system is application of artificial intelligence, which means face recognition system, chatbot, translation between languages, speech recognition are various applications of artificial intelligence, but database management system is used to store and manipulate data. Question number 35. Which one of the following is an advantage of artificial intelligence? The answer is D. Artificial intelligence creates a machine that can think and make decisions without human intervention or human involvement. Question number 36. Which instruments are used for perceiving and acting upon the environment? The answer is A. An agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving and acting upon the environment through sensors and actuators. Question number 37. A.M. Turing developed techniques for determining whether a computer could or could not demonstrate the artificial intelligence. This technique is called dash. A. Turing test. B. Algorithm. C. Boolean algebra. D. Logarithm. The answer is A, which means Turing test. This Turing test is named after Alan Turing, the founder of Turing test. Question number 38. Which one of the following is a branch of artificial intelligence? The answer is A. Machine learning is one of the most important sub-area of artificial intelligence. Likewise, neural network, computer vision, robotics, NLP are also the sub-areas. Question number 39. Which one of the following is not an example of digital assistant? A. Cortana. B. Google Assistant. C. Siri. D. All of the above. The answer is D, which means Cortana, Siri, Google Assistant are the best example of digital assistant. Cortana is a product of Microsoft. Google Assistant is a product of Google. Siri is a product of Apple. These are also another example of digital assistant. Question number 40. Which one of the following is not disadvantage of artificial intelligence? High cost, can't think out of the box, high speed, no original creativity. The answer is C, which means high speed is advantage of artificial intelligence. It is not disadvantage of artificial intelligence. Instead, it is advantage of artificial intelligence. Question number 41. Which one of the following are not high-profile example of artificial intelligence? Creating art, providing mathematical theorem, playing game, spam filtering, online advertisement, none of the above. The answer is F, which means All of the above are example of or high-profile example of artificial intelligence. The following are also high-level or high-profile example of artificial intelligence. Question number 42. Which one of the following area cannot contribute to build an intelligent system? Neuroscience, mathematics, computer science, geology. The answer is D. Geology cannot contribute to build artificial intelligence or intelligent system, whereas neuroscience, mathematics, computer science can contribute to build intelligent system or artificial intelligence. Question number 43. Which one of the following discipline contributing to artificial intelligence? A. Psychology, B. Philosophy, C. Computer science, D. Sociology, E. All of the above. The answer is E, which means all of these disciplines contribute for the development of artificial intelligence, which means artificial intelligence is science and technology based on disciplines such as computer science, sociology, biology, psychology, linguistics, mathematics, and engineering. Question number 44. Which one of the following is not types of artificial intelligence? Reactive machine, unlimited memory, theory of mind, self-awareness. The answer is B. There are 4 types of artificial intelligence based on functionality. Those are reactive machine, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. So, unlimited memory is not the types of artificial intelligence. Question number 45. What is artificial intelligence? Putting your intelligence into computer, programming with your own intelligence, making a machine intelligent, playing a game. The answer is C, which means making computer intelligence, because artificial intelligence is to make things work automatically through machine without using human effort. Question number 46. How many levels of artificial intelligence are there? 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. The answer is D. There are 7 levels of artificial intelligence. Those are stage 1, rule-based system, stage 2, context awareness and retention, stage 3, domain specific expertise, stage 4, reasoning system, stage 5, self-awareness system, stage 6, artificial superintelligence, step 7, singularity and transcendence are the 7 levels of artificial intelligence. Question number 47. The most common artificial intelligence today fit in dash, bracket, or group. The answer is A. From the 7 level of artificial intelligence or stage of artificial intelligence, the most common artificial intelligence today fit is rule-based system. Question number 48. Dash is an artificial intelligence system that have human-like intelligence. The answer is F. The types of artificial intelligence which have human-like intelligence is self-aware system. Self-aware artificial intelligence is the same with artificial general intelligence, in which it is the system which have human-like intelligence. Question number 49. Dash is artificial intelligence level that could reason or negotiate with human and other machines. The answer is E. A type of artificial intelligence which can reason and negotiate with human or other machine is called reasoning system. Question number 50. Among the following level or stage of artificial intelligence, which one is under development or not realized until today or until 2022? The answer is E. The following are still under development or not realized until today. Reasoning machine, self-awareness system, or artificial general intelligence, artificial superintelligence, and singularity and transcendence are types of artificial intelligence which are under development or not realized until today. Question number 51. Dash go beyond the limit of human body and connect to other form of intelligence on the planet, animals, plants, weather system, and the natural environment? The answer is E, which means singularity and transcendence stage of artificial intelligence can create hive minds that share ideas, solve problems collectively, and even gives other access to our dreams as observers or participants. And these types of artificial intelligence can go beyond the limit of human body and connect to other form of intelligence on the planet. Question number 52. Dash will solve problems we have failed so far, such as world hunger and dangerous environmental change. Reasoning system, domain expertise, or domain specific expertise, artificial general intelligence, singularity and transcendence, all of the above. The answer is C. Artificial general intelligence is an algorithm that can outsmart even the most intelligent human in every domain. Question number 53. Which one of the following is influencer of artificial intelligence? Big data, advancement in computer processing speed and the new chips architecture, cloud computing and the application programming interface, the emergence of data science, all of the above. The answer is E, which means all of the above are influencer of artificial intelligence. Question number 54. Which one of the following is not a service benefit we get from cloud computing or cloud platform? Availability, scalability, accessibility, flexible billing option, none of the above. The answer is F, which means all of the above are service benefit we can get from cloud platform or cloud computing. Question number 55. Let us say Mr. Tola used artificial intelligence to make his data more safe and secure. So which application of artificial intelligence Tola is using? A. Artificial intelligence in social media. B. Artificial intelligence in data security. C. Artificial intelligence in agriculture. D. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. E. Artificial intelligence in education. F. Artificial intelligence in finance and e-commerce. The answer is B. According to the above scenario, Mr. Tola is using artificial intelligence in data security or for securing his data. Question number 56. When you upload a photo to Facebook, the Facebook automatically highlights face and suggests friend tag. In this case, what types of application Facebook is using to do so? A. Face recognition. B. Chatbot. C. Speech recognition. D. Fingerprint recognition. E. None of the above. The answer is A, or face recognition. Face recognition system or facial recognition system can be used to identify people in photo, video, or in real time. Artificial intelligence is making our daily life more comfortable and faster. A, true. B, false. The answer is A. Artificial intelligence is making our daily life more comfortable and faster. Thank you for watching. For more video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lamishow Tube. See you in the next video. Bye bye.